Good morning students. Today we study about the last whorl of the flower, that is gynoecium. It is also called as essential whorl of the flower. It is the innermost whorl of a bisexual flower and forms female reproductive part. Gynoecium, it is made up of one or more units called carpels. Each carpel consists of three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Basal swollen part is called as ovary, that consists of ovules, a cylindrical, long, stalk-like hollow or solid portion arise from the tip of the ovary is called style, and the pollen receptive structure or the uppermost part which is attached to the style is called as stigma on the terminal portion of the style. Stigma, it is terminally situated, modified part of style adapted for receiving pollen grains during pollination. Stigma contains various exudates such as sugar, protein, lipid, water, which helps in the germination of pollen grains. Style, it is the more or less elongated part of gynoecium between the ovary and stigma. Depending on the number of chambers or locules in the ovary may be described as unilocular, bilocular, or trilocular. In unilocular, single chamber is present. In bilocular, two chambers are present. In trilocular, three chambers are present. Again, depending on the number of carpels, the gynoecium is described as, or the carpel is described as monocarpellary, bicarpellary, tricarpellary, tetracarpellary, and multicarpellary. In monocarpellary type, gynoecium consists of a single carpel, only one carpel is present. It is found in family Fabaceae. In bicarpellary type, ovary consists of two carpels. It is found in family Rubiaceae. Tricarpellary or tricarpus, where the ovary consists of three carpels. It is found in the family Liliaceae, means the monocot family. Tetracarpellary means ovary consists of four carpels. It is found in Melia. Then multicarpellary, gynoecium consists of many carpels. It is found in Papaver. Then the cohesion of the carpels, apocarpus condition and syncarpus condition. In apocarpus condition, the gynoecium made up of two or more carpels which are free from one another. It is found in apocarpus condition is found in Polyalthia. Then syncarpus. In this condition, the gynoecium consists of two or more carpels which are fused with one another. Example is hibiscus. Then the placentation. In angiosperms, ovules are present inside the ovary. Placenta is a special type of tissue which connects the ovules to the wall of ovary. The mode of distribution of placenta inside the ovary or the arrangement of ovules inside the ovary is known as placentation. Placentations may be of following types: axile placentation, marginal placentation, parietal placentation, basal placentation, precentral placentation, and superficial placentation. First one, axile placentation. In this type of placentation, it is found in bi or multicarpellary syncarpous ovary. The carpels wall meet in the center of the ovary, where the placenta are formed like central column. The ovules are born at or near the center on the placenta in each locule. Example, that is hibiscus. Then marginal placentation. It occurs in a monocarpellary unilocular ovary. The ovules are born along the junction of the two margins of the carpel. Example, in pea plant. Parietal placentation. This type of placentation is found in multicarpellary syncarpous unilocular ovary. The carpels are fused only by their margins. The placenta bearing ovules develop at the places where the two carpels are fused. Example, cucumber, the family Cucurbitaceae. Then basal placentation. It is seen in bicarpellary syncarpous and unilocular ovary. The placenta develops directly on the receptacle, which bears a single ovule at the base of the ovary. Basal placentation is found in sunflower, the member of the family Asteraceae. Then precentral placentation. Placenta arise from the central axis of one-chambered polycarpellary syncarpous ovary. Example, dianthus. Last one, that is superficial placentation. This type of placentation occurs in a multicarpellary multilocular ovary. The ovules are born on placenta, which develop all round the inner surface of the partition wall. Example, Nymphaceae means lotus family. In lotus, superficial type of placentation is present. This is all about the female reproductive part, that is gynoecium and the placentation in the arrangement of ovule inside the ovary. Thank you.